Hello, how you doing today? Hope school was great. Welcome to this lesson of a language arts topic called sentence. This is just a basic overview, some quick things that I want you to know about what a sentence is. So let's go right into it. Well, what is it? A sentence is a group of words that express meaning or a complete thought. Now, there are many definitions to sentence. You could probably go look online right now and find many different definitions. Some people would say that it's a complete thought that has a noun or subject and a verb. And all these things are true, but the main point is that it's a group of words that express a complete thought. Now, you can have a sentence that's just one word. We talked about that in another video. Okay? But generally speaking, a sentence is a group of words that express a complete thought. Think about when your teacher always tells you, I want you to write your answer in complete sentences. What they're talking about is a whole bunch of words that make sense. Therefore, the word sentence. It almost sounds alike. All right, here we go. Let's look at a non-example and a good example. Here's a non-example of a sentence, meaning this is not really a sentence. It's just a group of words. Shy, hello, back, dog, red, scream. Now, I just made those words up because I understand that this does not make sense by itself. Do we have nouns? Yes. A dog is a noun. Do we have action, verbs? Yes. Scream. Do we have adjectives? Yes, we do. Red. We do have basic parts of speech in this example, but it just doesn't make any sense. A good sentence is one that makes sense, and here's an example using these words up here. All I did was move stuff around and add a couple of words. I scream when I see shy red dogs say hello back to me. Now, that doesn't sound like it really makes sense. But you can be creative in the English language, and you can make sentences that are sometimes hard to believe or that are based in fantasy or fiction. So it's okay if it doesn't really make sense to you. The fact that it doesn't make sense doesn't mean it's not a sentence. This is not a sentence because it's not that it doesn't make sense. It's that the words are just random and they're not put together right. But if you put them together in such a way that it can probably actually happen, then you probably have a sentence. I scream when I see shy red dogs say hello back to me. So that's, I scream because dogs are saying hello, which would never happen, right? So you're screaming. So this is something, a group of words that makes sense. Does that make sense? Okay. Here we go. Sentences are classified generally into two groups. The structure of a sentence is really important. It's what we're going to be learning in language arts. And the purpose of the sentence. What is the author or the writer trying to say? So these are both going to be separate videos, but I want you to write these down now because we'll be asking about it in class the next day. If you know what the structures are and if you know what the purposes are. So you can hit pause, write these down, but I'm going to speak them out for you. Alright, sentence structure. We have simple sentences, compound sentences, complex sentences, and compound complex sentences. So that's simple, compound, complex, and compound complex. Sentence purpose is declarative, interrogative, exclamatory, and imperative. Those are the different types of purposes, and these are the different types of structure. Alright, that's it for today. Have a wonderful night. Sleep tight.